Hey, what's up, everybody? Cletus T. Judd down at my good friends, the Bill Cole Auto Mall over at the Subaru dealership. Buddy, we got a special one right here. First of all, let me introduce you to the salesman, Steve. What's going on, buddy?
How you doing, Cletus?
Good to see you, man. Thank you so much. Tell us a little bit about what we got right here. I don't think I've ever saw a Subaru Wilderness. It's a pretty cool vehicle.
Yeah, they just actually landed on the New Year's Eve last year, so they've been out about a year.
Yeah.
More made for riding trails, rounded off in the front and back. X mode doesn't kick out, so Subaru's all-wheel drive. It also has some StarTech material in here too. Subaru's version of leather, it's actually waterproof, so if you are riding in the mountains or get it muddy, wipes right up. It's not going to bend like leather.
So you can actually take this sucker off-roading, huh?
Yeah, you can get a shot of mine out there. I took it yesterday.
I saw a picture. I saw his out there. We couldn't use it in the commercial. I'm gonna tell, or maybe we can. I don't know, but it's what kind of money are we talking about on one of these, Steve?
This one's going for $43 over here right now. We got two of these right now, so we'd love to get rid of one of these as soon as we can, or both of them actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You'd sell two of them to one person, wouldn't you?
If they wanted to.
All right, man. Thank you so much. Y'all come on down, check them out. Like I say, go shop wherever you want to. You're going to end up buying it right here at the Bill Cole Auto Mall. Y'all have a great day. See you, bye. Thanks, pal.
Thank you.
Yep.